Yeah, I'm surprised Lane is not busting the portafilter right now, pushing that down. Yeah! Hello world, welcome back to the Tailgate Coffee Table. Today I'm here with Lane Norton. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, man.
If you guys don't know, Lane is a caffeine fiend. So one of the first times I met Lane, he was competing in Austin at Powerlifting Nationals.
Yep.
And I think you had said you had consumed like 900 or 1,000 milligrams of caffeine that day.
Something like that.
And so I thought, what a perfect setting to sit down, chat with Lane, make a drink together over some caffeine, his favorite thing. Today we're gonna make what I call a cafe cola, which is Coke, espresso, and a little bit of sweet cream. So Lane, do you have a lot of experience making coffee?
I do not.
No.
I mean, I've made drip coffee. I've done pour over, and that's about the extent of my, and Keurig, and that's about the extent of my coffee making.
Yeah, so the espresso machine is new to you.
That's new,
Okay,
yeah.
Sweet. Well, it's actually not that difficult to do.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna walk you through it.
Perfect.
You're gonna make the drink yourself.
Okay.
And let's just jump right into it.
Sweet.
Machine's already on. And this is called a portafilter, portable filter. Who would have thought? And you're just gonna take it and stick it right into the grinder here. So just carefully remove that and give it a couple taps here on the tailgate just to kind of get it compacted down. All right, that works.
Yep.
Next up, take this side, put it on top and give it some spins.
Oh, like this?
Do the other side first.
Other side?
Yeah, because it's got the ridges. It's ribbed for pleasure. Go right into the espresso machine until you can feel it slide up in there. Hardest part of the whole process right here. You just hit the espresso button.
This one right here?
Yep. Espresso actually has three parts. It's got the heart, which is the bottom where it's going to contain all the like intense flavors. And in the middle is called the body. And the top is called the crema, which it has some of the oils from the coffee and it keeps all the flavor down. So that's just fun fact about espresso. Okay, so next step of our drink, take your Coke Zero, superior to Diet Coke, right? Look at that, that's a perfect pour. No fizz, no bubbles, damn.
Could have been a bartender.
All right, next up, pour the espresso on top. Oh, there's the fizz.
Sit. Oh.
That's cool. All right, so now what we're gonna do is do a splash of sweet cream.
Yep.
Hop in there, grab the cream, money shot right there. That's it. All right, dude, we got our coffee. I wanna get a taste test from you.
All right.
Let's get your taste test.
Cheers. That's nice.
It's interestingly good, right?
Yeah, it's like some body but some sweetness to it from the Coke Zero.
Yeah.
And it's like refreshing,
but not overly sweet.
No, it's not overly sweet. No, it's nice. It's refreshing, especially here in Florida where it's still like 80 degrees.
Dude, yeah. And if you had to give it a rating out of 10, just on taste, what would you give it?
I give it a solid 9.
9.
I like it.
All right, you heard that. 9 is up there. And then difficulty level out of 10, what would you say? 2. So say I wasn't here to walk you through it. Okay. And you had to figure out how to make an espresso on your own. What would you say the difficulty level would be? Do
I get access to a YouTube video or no?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, 2. Yeah, very easy.
Easy money.
The hardest part was figuring where the things to put the...
the notches to put it in.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, dude. Well, we got our coffee. Let's chat.
Sounds good.
Cheers.